everyone, how is everyone doing? My name is Leah, but I know most of you already know that. What you don't know is something more than just my name. But if you would like to know more about me than just my name, then go to Graphic 45 blog, and there is just small part of me, of my life written there, and I'm gonna put a link below so you can go and check it there, that you will know like a little bit better who I am. Okay, let's go to today's project. I created this project, but I know some of you ladies will ask me about the tutorial. There is no tutorial for this album. I think I will make it in the future, just with different papers. For this album, I used Graphic 45 Communique paper collection, and I think it's a Luxe Collector's Edition pack that I used for this one. Beautiful images, as you can see. This paper collection has fantastic vintage images from cameras, phones, like you name it, and perfect colors to make your albums, to store your black and white papers. No, to store your black and white photographs. So yeah, and what I did here in the front, this image here, you see, I cut out from the paper. I think it's so beautiful that I just wanted to showcase it on the front cover. And here on the side, what I did is like frame for photo. So imagine black and white photograph here and this beautiful camera here on the side. The cover is gonna be perfect. So now I would like to invite you to take a closer look of the inside of the album. So if you wanna come closer. Okay, this is the front cover, and I created this frame here for your photo. You place your photo here, and this image is so beautiful, and I cut it out from 12 by 12 paper. I just wanted to highlight the image somehow, so I cut it out, and I wanted to display it here on the front cover. And here on the top and bottom of the frame, there are chipboard pieces from the collection. And here on the spine, also created a frame, and here this is the image from the paper, and look how beautiful coordinates with the image in the front. And there are also these film strips right here, and it's so perfect. Okay, let's go to the inside. On the inside front cover, I didn't do any flaps and pockets. All I did is here is a space for a picture, and here is a tag from chipboard piece. And here on this page, I cut out an image. Oh, this collection has so many beautiful images. I mean, they're really perfect for vintage photos and vintage album. So here, I didn't adhere the image all the way down, so you can tuck your photo behind the image. And I used this beautiful die. So the flap opens, and then you have space for your photo, and then here is a pocket, and in the pocket is photo mat for your photo. And look at this beautiful image. And then the next page is another pocket, and here you place your photo inside, or you create your photo mat, and then the flap opens, and then you have more spaces for your photograph. And then this flap also opens, and then you have, look, all these papers coordinate very well together. And then on the next page, here I created a frame, and you place your photo inside or paper, and then place your photo on the paper. And here is again chipboard piece, and then here is this is sticker, so you can use it for journaling. And then the flap, oh no, there are more flaps. So this flap opens, and then here you have spaces for photograph, and then you have another flap that opens to the side, and you have more spaces for your photos. And then here you have another pocket with photo mat inside, and then this pocket flap opens, and then you have here more room for pictures. And then here also I didn't adhere it all the way down, so you can tuck your photo behind, and you don't have to adhere the photo to the paper. You can just tuck it behind the image and then take it out whenever you want to. so you're not gonna waste your paper that way. This is especially good if you use like really beautiful patterns on the paper and you don't want to waste them, so you want to showcase them. You can just take your photos out. And then the next page, look at this. This is so cute. I cut out this banner and then I adhered chipboard piece right here on the top. And what I like to do is, I don't know if you've seen before, I like to put pearl inside of these holes that these chipboard pieces have, and it looks so beautiful. And then here you have another die cut flap, and then it opens. And here what I didn't I just wanted to show you what you can do. I didn't place papers here. This can represent where your photo should go. If you want to create a border around your photo, I don't suggest to adhere thick cardstock, because then otherwise your albums are gonna be too bulky. So if you want to create border around your photos, then use lighter paper, and that way you can create a border around your photo. But otherwise, just place photos where you see this paper. And then again, beautiful image, not adhered all the way down, so it's only for, you can tuck your photo behind. And then here again, this is space where your photo should go. And then here is another pocket with photo mat. And then this opens, and then again here you place your photo. There's no paper, so just photo here. And then next page, so on this page here you see another beautiful image, and then here is a sticker and some embellishments from the paper. And this flap opens to the side, and here again what you see here is spaces for your photos. And then this closes and the whole flap opens to the side, and you have here more spaces for photographs, and then another flap here that would open to the side. And what I told you earlier, if you want to showcase beautiful papers, and if you don't want to adhere your photos all the way down, then place some tag or some image and tuck your photos behind, and then you can take it off anytime, and you can showcase these beautiful papers. So let's go to the next page. Here you will see another more beautiful images, and here is a tag for journaling. And then and here again I created this banner and then placed chipboard sticker on the top, and then it opens. And then here you have flap, it's die cut, and then the flap opens, and then both flaps open to the side, and then you have here more spaces for your photographs. And next page is a mirror page of this page here. It's created the same way, matted almost with the same papers, and only images are different. So here again banner with chipboard piece, and then here look at this beautiful camera, and then it's the same way as this one. So here die cut flap opens, and then this flap would open again on the side, and you have here spaces for your photograph. And again you can tuck your here I adhere this image all the way down, because here this is space for your photograph. So here, and then last page, look at this beautiful tag. It's like shape of an old album, and it says photographs here in the middle. And then here look at this beautiful lady with camera, and here is chipboard piece. You can use it for journaling. And then and here is a pocket I created, and then in the pocket is a photo mat, and flap opens to the side. And look at that, here you have spaces for your space for photograph. And here look at this beautiful paper, and this flap will also open, and here you have spaces for more photographs. And then the last is cover page, inside cover page. And here also is a space for photograph, and then chipboard image here of this beautiful lady. Thank you for watching. I hope my album made you want to create one of your own, and I promise I will keep inspiring you in the future.